today's video. Today we are going to be treating the hair loop. Now guys, there are times when you pierce your ears and what happens, you find that your hair start to stretch because of heavy earrings. Sometimes you wear earrings and they just pull that ear loop down and the hole tend to get really big and you cannot fit a regular ear ring in your hair. Now guess what? Today I have a remedy for you that's gonna help to tighten back that ear loop. It's gonna help to shrink that hole and make it be smaller so that you'll be comfortable again wearing your normal earrings. So if you find that your hair loop is a little stretched out and you're looking for a remedy that will help to tighten it up, to make that hole a little smaller, to basically lift that hair loop, this video is for you. So continue watching. Our first ingredient is cornstarch, and cornstarch is going to help to seal that open hair loop up. Cornstarch, when mixed with other ingredients and used on a regular, is going to help the skin to get firmer, and the firmer the skin gets is the tighter and closer the hair loop is going to be, making the holes much smaller. Our second ingredient is aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel is great for the skin. It helps to boost the collagen production in the skin. It helps to get rid of wrinkles. It also helps to clear the skin of any form of blemishes. Our next ingredient is apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar, when mixed with the other ingredient, is going to help to plump the skin up. And our final ingredient is coconut oil. And coconut oil is also a wonderful ingredient to use on the ear loop. Coconut oil, when mixed with the other ingredient, is going to create a barrier. It's going to create a nice paste. And with that paste, the more often you use it, is the smaller the ear loop is going to become. So here in my bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, aloe vera gel. So I'm going to use a 1/2 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Next, I'm going to use a 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. Pour this in, and then we are going to mix this into a paste. So just blend into a paste, and looking at mine, I could tell that it needs a little bit more of a cornstarch. So I'm going to add another 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm just going to blend this in. You want this to be very thick, and this is now looking good. So blend really well, and once it starts to look like this, then you know that it's ready. Now take a look at this. And this is exactly how you need it to be, okay? Now once this is done, this can be stored for over 10 days. There's nothing in this that is going to spoil. If you keep this in the refrigerator, it's going to get thicker, so leave it on the countertop and then use it every day on your ear loop. Now let's test it to see. Take a look at this. This is how it's going to be, like gummy, almost like a chewing gum. Now here is your hair loop remedy. To use your hair loop remedy, you always want to mix it up, and then you're going to take a little bit of it like this. Put it in your finger like this, and then make it in a paste. You're going to apply it to both Pierce it on your hair loop like this. Just pierce it on the hair loop and make sure to do both back and front of the hair loop. Now, once you pierce it on the ear loop like this, you're going to leave it on overnight and it's going to dry on the ear loop. Up on the horizon in the mornings, you're going to rinse this off and you could put some coconut oil on the ear, and at night again, you repeat the process and you're going to do this until your hair loops start to get closer and tighter. The sagging skin, it's just going to start to shrink that ear loop up, okay? Use it on the regular, use it as often as you can for best result. Now, once this batch is done, you can make a new batch depending on the size of your ear loop, okay? So there you have it. Give this a wonderful hair loop treatment a try. After you use it for a couple of weeks, come back and comment and let me know if it is working for you. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.